Today we are going to see how the structure of what we will use to start creating the robots is going to be like. So as I have done several times already, the idea is to make modular robots so that they can take on different forms and parts can be easily attached or replaced when damaged. This type of modular robots would give us the great advantage that they would be cheaper to produce, faster to assemble, and above all, quicker to deploy in real-world scenarios. Then one of the first robots that we are going to manufacture are those hexapod type robots. Since that is the type of robot that is easier to create, so here what I always do when it comes to making a 3D design, or when I make a video game, or when I draw, or in this case when I'm going to do something with robotics, is to do a blockout, which interestingly enough, although the blockout is super efficient for all areas related to design. Normally they don't apply too much despite being such a useful tool. Then here we do the blocking in order to get the general dimensions that our robot is going to have. Then from there on, using already the surface model with the hard surfaces, which would be done already in Blender, we would finish giving details and shape so that it looks quite good. And we would start creating those parts piece by piece here. All of that is going to be connected to servo motors, which is what we are going to use, since robotic actuators like the ones used by Unitree, which make their humanoid robots move so fast, are too expensive. And for now, as the year is starting and I still don't have the first freelancers yet, certainly buying something like that so expensive, then because of that now we're going with servo motors, which are more economical, and with 3D printing in battle, although the idea would be later on to do it with carbon fiber. So we'd start with the hexapods, which I'll show you in upcoming videos how to model all this in 3D, and then as we already polish it and improve it so that it looks something like that. Then here we would implement them either with Arduino, Raspberry, or well with ESP32. And then we would proceed to create the quadrupeds. Then once we believe in quadrupeds and they are also perfectly functional and completely modular, the idea is to combine both systems, this one with that one, and then also incorporate what are like tank-like caterpillar tracks in order to make the robot all-terrain. Very well, that's the end of this video, and don't buy on my social media platforms.